Today at Beth's Keto Kitchen, I'm sharing my budget keto grocery haul from Aldi and a couple things from Dollar Tree as well, so join me. I'll also let you know some of my meal ideas that I have planned for the week. I have the fresh chicken breast tenders, and I'm planning on making some chicken fajitas. So I got the multicolored bell peppers, and those were about $3 for that pack. A pack of red onions, and a pack of green peppers. The low carb tortillas, those are 4 net carbs per tortilla. Cilantro. Avocados. An English cucumber, which I like to slice up for lunch sometimes. Fresh ground beef they had for $3.99 a pound. 80/20 is what I buy. The Cheddar Brats. Those are 3 carbs each. Avocado oil, 100% pure, I like for cooking. And the solid white tuna. I like to also include fish in my diet via tuna or salmon. I like the Hellman's mayonnaise. Again, I am not clean, perfect keto. This is budget friendly. Beef broth, chicken broth. I like to either heat it up in a cup and drink that or just cook with it. The specialty marinara is really good. It's only 4 net carbs, and that's for a whole half cup. So if I'm making little pizzas, those are nice. So I got some sliced pepperonis as well. Those are 0 carbs. The hard salamis, my grandson likes to snack on those. The mozzarella for our little pizzas. Ham, I like to do a ham and egg sandwich occasionally. The French green beans, I like to cook these on the stove with a little bit of chicken broth and chopped up bacon, and they're delicious. A great side. Half and half, I just like to have half and half on hand or heavy cream. Kraft singles, my grandson likes. Grilled cheese sandwiches, not the greatest choice. These halloumi cheese fries are delicious. I'll have to show you guys. I put them in my air fryer at 400 degrees and dip those in that bacon mayo, the spicy version. So good. String cheese, I like to pack that for my grandson for school, for his snack. Gotta have your fresh lettuce. This is the keto bread, so if I want an egg and ham sandwich, I like to use the keto bread. It's 0 net carbs. I buy their eggs. I eat a lot of eggs. I do egg yolks in my coffee, French vanilla coffee. The Too Good yogurt is a nice snack if you feel like you want something sweet. There is actually 3 grams of carbs, I believe, in that cup. Pecan, fresh pecan halves. They are a really good nut to eat on keto. So that's 1 net carb for those. And I usually just have a couple of those, a yogurt, and some fresh raspberries on top. And a lot of times that will be my lunch because I typically will do 2-mad or OMAD. So from the Dollar Tree, they have the frozen section, and I like to buy the stir-fry blend veggies. And I will add shrimp with that or chicken. And then they also had the peppers, which is kind of nice to have on hand in a pinch if I wanted to make some fajitas. And then they have the riced cauliflower for $1. You can't beat the Dollar Tree. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for some recipes that I'll be making, and I'll be sure to post those. Bye-bye.